Hi friends, today we are making some really fresh fruity mocktails. So let's begin.
To make watermelon mojito, I'm using some fresh watermelon cubes. So put some watermelon cubes in a tall glass, add in some fresh mint leaves, roughly break them with your hand, and some lemon slices. And now with the help of a wooden pestle or just anything that you have to just press the ingredients down to bring all the juices out. So I'm just pressing it with the pestle so that all the flavors are nicely combined. Now add in ice. Next I'm adding sugar light powder because this is a healthy alternative to the normal sugar, and black salt. Next, fill the remaining glass with soda. I'm using plain soda, and stir all the ingredients well. Once the sugar is dissolved, garnish with some watermelon and lemon slices, and a fresh watermelon mojito is ready. Serve this drink chilled. To make the sweet lime mojito, I'm using sweet lime. So I have taken out the juice of one sweet lime and pour it into a glass. Next, add in some freshly ground mint leaves. Just break it with your hands and add in the juice. Next, add in some lemon slices. Next, add in sugar powder or sugar light. I'm using sugar light because it has 50% less calories because it has stevia mixed in it. So add in sugar or sugar powder or just any sweetener that you want. Next, add in some black salt. Now take a pestle or any spoon and just press all the ingredients together so that the mint and the lemon just squeeze in a bit and the flavors are all out. Next, add in some ice cubes or crushed ice, and finally I'm going to add some soda. This is plain soda. So fill the rest of the glass with soda. And mix all the ingredients properly. Make sure that the sugar is nicely melted. I'm just using the spoon to bring all the lemon slices and the mint leaves on top. And now our fresh lime sweet mojito is ready. Garnish with some sliced sweet lime and present it chilled. To make virgin mojito, I'm going to use some lemon slices, some fresh mint leaves, Break the mint leaves roughly with your hand. Here I have some grated ginger. This is optional, but I like the flavor of the ginger. It gives it a nice flavor. And now with the help of a pestle, just squeeze all the ingredients well. Add in some ice cubes or crushed ice. Next, add in sugar light. This is a healthier alternative to the normal sugar because it has stevia mixed in it. You can anyways use the regular sugar or sugar powder, even better. And now add some salt, black salt. And finally add in plain soda. Now mix the ingredients properly with a spoon or a fork till the time the sugar is melted. And our delicious and fresh virgin mojito is ready. This drink is really good for the stomach as it has ginger, lemon and mint leaves, so it cools down your body temperature and gives you a feeling of freshness. Serve this drink chilled.